This beautiful game. It's about R controlled I, E, and U. Okay. Ready to start? Let's start.
Make a word to match the picture. Fern.
Fern. What is the first letter and the last letter? Fern. Listen to the letters and tell me. Baylisan. What is that first letter here? Fern. F. Fern. And N. Okay, Baylisan, ready? The cat eats food. Eats. Good job. Let's start. Last question. Bravo. Hey Khalid, can you see the word now? Right. Tell me fast. Is it IE or IGH? I have to go to the correct one. IE or IGH? Excellent. Just a second.
IGH.
Okay, I'm going down. Oh yes, IGH. Excellent. Good job. Wonderful. Okay, next one. Adam. Can you see the word? The word is one. Does it have IE, H, or it's a tricky word?
What?
One.
What, teacher?
The word is one. Does it have IE or IGH or no, nothing. It's just a tricky word.
What?
Is it look, one? O-N-E. Does it have IE or IGH?
Doesn't.
Oh yes, it's a tricky word. They want just to trick us. Good job. It doesn't have IE or IGH. Mazen.
I want to play.
Then I will send it to you so you can play in your home, okay? Now Mazen, the word is done. IE or IGH or it's just a tricky word. Yes, it's a tricky word, but all the monsters are there. Please go away. Yes, it's a tricky word. Good job. Excellent. Okay, Iyad. Iyad, the word is tight. Tight. I-E or Iyad?
What?
I-E or I-G-H? Oh my God. Tight.
IGH.
And I-G-H. Let me go. Oh my God. The monster ate me. Okay, let me go fast now. I-G-H. Tight is I-G-H. Raise your voice. I think you closed the mic. Open the mic. Fix. Good job. Yes. Okay. Next one. My mom bakes a cake. Bakes. Excellent with S. Now, let's choose a question for girl. Okay, Baylisan, ready? Your question. The cat eats or eat food? Eats. Good job. And last question. Bravo. Bravo, Baylisan. Last one.